Hey, hello there. Welcome back. Today we are going to be making some beautiful summer flowers. And I actually have another thought for what else it could be. And I'll try and remember to share that with you after our project. So I have paper plates to put my paint on. I have some paper towel tubes. I've got my paint. I chose these 4 colors. My scissors. And I did include for myself some paintbrushes in case I want to add some little detail to the flowers. And I have a marker so I can do maybe the stem of the flower. So first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to point this down so you can see, I am going to do some pink paint and some purple paint on this plate. And then I'm going to do some blue paint on this plate and some yellow on this one. I'm leaving a lot of room in between the colors because I'm going to use this spoon to flatten out the color because our tube needs to fit right like that. So I'm going to wipe the pink off my spoon. And then I'm going to mush purple like that. And I'll wipe that off my spoon. And I'm going to, yep, you guessed it, mush my yellow around. Get another piece of paper towel and wipe that off. And then mush my blue. So you have a nice big circle of each color. All right. Now you're going to grab your scissors and one of your paper towel tubes. And if you have a toilet paper tube, that's fine too. It's just shorter. It doesn't really matter because what we're going to do is cut, I don't know, maybe an inch, inch and a half, all the way around the tube. Lots of these skinny little slits. And bend them so you can see them better. All the way around. Do lots, because the more you do, the skinnier they are, I think, the cooler the flower is going to look. So I have one that I've already cut. I actually have a couple. But I wanted to show you it's cut all the way around in these thin little slices. And then you're just going to take those and bend them outwards. Kind of looks like a sun, which you could also do. Really, this could be a bunch of different things. So I have another one. I haven't really frayed that one enough. I'll bend those a little bit more. All right. Now you can choose a color that you want to dip it in first. I'm going to do blue. And you don't need a ton of paint. I'm just going to make sure that all the little pieces and frays get some paint. Some of them haven't yet. Let's see. Okay, so that's what it looks like on my paper towel tube. And let's slide this over. And you can keep going and moving it around until you have the look that you want. So now what I'm going to do actually with this same tube is dip it in the yellow. Because what do blue and yellow make? Do you remember? If you said green, you are correct. So I'm just going to add a little yellow, maybe a little more blue. Make sure I get it kind of mixed up, and let's see what happens here. Put it right there. Oh yeah, that's definitely kind of a limey green. There, and you just kind of can play with it and be creative and do it however you would like. Now, I'm going to choose a different color, so I'm going to grab another tube that I had cut, and I think maybe I'll do the purple, the dark purple, instead of the pink. I'm going to move it around. I didn't really make my circles big enough, so you just have to push the paper towel tube down. There's my purple. And let's put another flower. Maybe I'll do it going off the paper a little bit. I made a little frame around my white paper with a bigger piece of paper, just, I don't know, to make it a little more interesting. There, my purple flower. So now I'm actually going to take a paintbrush and dip it in the pink and maybe make some designs, maybe a center in the middle of the flower. Make them all pink on the inside. I'll just do a dot for that one. Maybe this one I'll make a bunch of little dots or slash marks. So they're all a little bit different. And maybe something in the middle, like that. So my idea too was if you had red and blue paint, you could do that with these and make it look like fireworks for 4th of July, which would be awesome. I'm just going to add some little detail. Hold on one second. Okay, so anyway, like I said, I'm just adding some little details to my flower. And you can do whatever you would like. Now, I'm going to take my green marker and make some stems, maybe a leaf. There. And now you have these beautiful summer flowers, or if you choose, you can make a sun as well with that, or some fireworks. So have fun, use your imagination,